Good morning, everyone. This is the fifth session of articles. In the fourth session, I left the word score to explain. So, in this session, I want to give you the details of score. In the score, how many letters are there? 5 letters are there. These 5 letters convey more rules of using definite article the. So in score, S refers what is that? S refers C's and superlative degrees. C's and superlative degree. S refers what is that? C's and superlative degrees. C's Red Sea. Before the names of C's, we can write what is that? The only sea, a sea. Okay. The Red Sea, the Dead Sea, and the Caspian Sea. Before the names of seas, you can write the article the superlative forms. I think you know the degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative. Superlative degree means any word ends with est: tallest, greatest, smallest, largest, shortest. Okay, bravest, longest. So ends with the est, that is superlative. Before every superlative degree, you have to use what is that? Article the, definite article the. Greatest, tallest, and greatest. The greatest and most powerful, most superlative form, superlative maker, most powerful, most active, most energetic, the most powerful, the most beautiful, the most beautiful. And come to the next letter is C. Score. In score, next letter is C. C for canals and countries. C for what is that? Canals and countries. Canals. So the example for canal is Suez Canal. It is a name of the canal, so that we have to use the definite article the canal. Name of canal. Before the name of canal, you have to use what is that? Article the, definite article the. This is also Indira Gandhi Canal. It's a name of the canal. And the last one is Panama Canal. It's a name. But before canal, you have to use a. When there is a name after canal or before canal, you can use what is that? Article the. The next, countries. You have to listen carefully. Countries here. Before the names of countries, you can use article the. When it is in form of abbreviation, Is it clear? When it is not in the form of abbreviation, it is an acronym or a word. We never use any article, like India. We don't use any article before the name India. Whereas Indian and Pakistan, we never use any article. Whereas China, we never use any article. America, we never use any article. But American, you can use what is that? And here, a country which is in form of abbreviation like USA or UK or USSR or UAE. So when country is in what is that? Abbreviational form, you have to use article the. Okay, the USA and the UK, United Kingdom. And next one, what is that? USSR, United Soviet Socialist Russia. Is it clear? When a country is in form of abbreviation, we have to use the. When a country doesn't have abbreviational form, it has its name or acronym, you can use what is that? No article. No article can be used. Like Australia, no article. Whereas Australian, and. Is it clear? That is. And the next word letter is O. O for ordinals and oceans. Ordinals means numbers are divided into two types. One is the ordinal numbers, second one is the cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, first, second, third, last, fourth, fifth, 21st, 22nd. So these are called what is that ordinal numbers. Whereas cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are called what is that cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. Ordinal number shows order. Cardinal number shows what is that counted things. These are used to count. Those are used to refer order. So before ordinal numbers, we have to use article the. All ordinal numbers like the first, and the second, and the fourth, and the last, and the middle. So these are all shows what is the order of the things. So before ordinal numbers, we have to use the article the, definite article the always. Next, O refers oceans. Before the names of oceans, we have to use the article the. Here Pacific, it's an ocean. The Pacific, Indian Ocean, and the Arabia. Before the names of oceans, we have to write or we have to use what is the definite article the. But before an ocean, we have to write an without having its name, name. Is it clear? The next letter is R, revolutions. R for revolutions. Here revolutions in Telugu viplavalu. Green revolution, French revolution, industrial revolution, and white revolution. Green revolution. It's a revolution, so that the green revolution. It's also revolution, the French revolution, so that the. And next one, white revolution. It's a revolution. Name of the revolution we have to use what is that the white revolution, the industrial revolution, right? The last letter of sword is E. E nothing but era, period. Okay, period. What is that? Era nothing but period. The modern era or modern period. The modern era. It's one kind of period. It's a duration. And next one, the Victorian era. Or in social, you might read what is that dynasties, the Lodi era, the Mughal era. This is so. In these cases, we have to use what is that article the, definite article the. So thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.